Hello students, welcome to Uptree Technologies, steps towards a digital environment. In last session we have studied about Scratch, all the blocks, all the panels and how to choose a sprite, choose a backdrop and sounds. In this session we are gonna study about the programming with events, and in today's session we will start making our first program. So let's start making our first program. First, we will go to events block, because whenever you will start programming, you need one event. With the use of this event, the program starts to run, because on using the instruction, it will not start running. So just to make it run or executable or see the effect on our screen, we need events just to start running the codes. So we will start with our first event, which is when flag clicked. We will simply drag it and drop it like this. If we have some extra commands, then just to delete that command, we need to right click on that command and go to this option, delete block. On pressing delete block, it will delete it. You can reposition your commands like dragging and dropping. Next, I want to move my sprite forward 10 steps. So I will go to motion block. In this motion block, you will get all the commands related to movement. So if you require any commands related to movement of your sprite, we will move to the motion block. Here you will get this command, move 10 steps, then rotation, which is turn 15 degrees. If you want to turn your sprite to 15 degrees, then these commands will be used. Go to random position, go to any fixed position, need to glide your sprite, need to point your direction in a fixed direction, point towards a mouse pointer, change X and Y and many more. I will introduce each and every block when it was required. So today we will just discuss about events block and motion block. I will take this command, move 10 steps and attach it with this command when flag clicked. Now I will click on this flag button. You can see on clicking this flag, my sprite is moving towards right, which is forward 10 steps. Now coming to this command, what we have written, that when flag will be clicked, move your sprite to 10 steps. So when flag clicked, it will move to 10 steps and that will be in forward direction. So let's see. Similarly, you have to do all your programs. Again, let's take one more event, which is when a space key pressed. So this first event starts running the program on flag clicked, which is shown in this screen. This event will start running its program when the space key will be pressed. Here you can also change your keys, which is up, down, right arrow, left arrow, any key, and from A to Z and 0 to 9. So it is up to your choice. I am taking it space key. Let's do one rotation. I will take this, turn 15 degree. When space key will be pressed, turn 15 degree clockwise direction. So if I will press space key, my sprite will be rotating to this direction in a clockwise direction, and the degree of rotation will be 15 degree. You can see on pressing space key, it's rotating. Now you can edit these values also. You have to simply click on here and edit the value, whatever the value you want. I want 50, so I put here 50. Here I want 90, so I just simply click on the values and just type it 90 here. Let's see the effect. You can see now on clicking flag, my sprite is moving 50 steps forward, and on pressing space key, it's rotating 90 degree. Let's choose one more. When this sprite clicked, this event will start working when the sprite will be clicked. On sprite click, let's do this programming. Glide 1 second to random position. This command will start gliding my sprite to any random position. So when I will click on the sprite, it will start gliding to any random position. Let's see. Again. So you have seen 3 events, which is when flag clicked, when space key pressed, and when this sprite clicked. This is all about events. In our next session, we will study about how to add sound and colors to our sprite. Thanks for watching this video.